So those are the same ones that we have along our driveway, like along the edge of our property. Yeah. So that's where the seed came from. It's beautiful. It looks nice. It's so beautiful out, man. Ah, yeah. So there's Arbutus trees and Eucalyptus trees at Grace Point on Salt Spring Island, and getting close to the end of December or February now. Gorgeous day. You gotta love it. There's fossils in those rocks too, palm fossils, believe it or not. And there's palm trees growing right by them. Nice. Thanks for watching. Cheers.